Foire Agricole ist ein Platz, an der viel geforscht wird, doch gerade das Jahr zusammen mit Arrillaga am LTA. An den Nikotinen ist noch ein Platz, wo ich mir so gelost durch Fisch Wasser gespürt wird. Wie geht das? Das will man wissen, man Fisch Haff. And we're gonna do this in English, my dear Nico. So ist alles.
Yes, that's correct, Camille. Let's do it in English. With me is Manuel from Fish Haff and also Horizon Farms. How is it possible to save water with fish? How does it work?
All right, so hi everybody, Manuel, as you mentioned. So what we do is closed, controlled environmental farming. So closed systems, completely circular. And what happens here is that the fish, they get fed a very good diet, high quality organic materials. They create all of the fertilizers and nutrients that the plants need. That goes to the plants. They take up all of the nutrients, clean the water. That clean water goes back to the fish. So we do not throw any water away. It's all completely closed loop, and that's how we can save water, as well as create healthy and organic products from organic nutrients.
Is how many percent of water are you saving? Is it like 90?
95%.
95% of water saved. Imagine that. So it's mir gesehen that das alles das nicht am Boden, das Tisch das bleibt alles am Circuit dran. Here we can see the fish. Du kann morgen ralusen, das Tisch, den man dann do hier ein Pipi Kaki und das geht dann an Pflanzen ran und dann wursen die und das ganz findet dann an einer Zerstadt. It's in a greenhouse, right? And it's and the projects are operational. You're working on the operation in Luxembourg.
That is correct. So we have one research greenhouse in Greivedange, and that's where we started about 4 years ago. It's been done really successfully, where we conduct a lot of research on fish production, hydroponic production, and now more recently in the automation of harvesting, as well as the conversion of other different animal waste, like the waste from the cows to gule, in order to really have localized fertilizer production. Our goal at the end is to create a food sovereign Luxembourg that is not sacrificing in its values to create organic and healthy products for all.
Natürlich, das alles op der Platz, das Lokal, das passt so richtig heuer Foire Agricole. Let's see a bit, you don't need the fish. Wir brauchen nicht unbedingt Fisch. Natürlich geht auch mit der Gülle eben von den lokalen Tieren. Let's explain a bit here the circuit, and then let's talk about the Gülle where you don't need the fish.
Yeah, so the circuit works this way. We have the fish in their homes. They produce waste, as all animals do. All of that waste goes to our biofilter. The bacteria in here, very special bacteria, they produce the nutrients. The nutrients go to the plants absorb them, and then the water returns. So this is the general concept of the Fish Haff aquaponics. Now, what we decided to do through the ideation of some of our local partner farmers is say, hey, well, what if I don't like fish? And so we created this ardent project at the bottom, where we take the gule from very different animals, primarily the gule from cows, but also testing sheep and goats and chicken, and apply them in the same circular concept as before. Same bacteria, same circular concept. The plants clean up the water. Now, of course, the water does not return to the cows, but we maintain the same circular function of the systems.
The advantage is that it's very clean, das ganz proper, weil es eben am Circuit bleibt, kann ganz pure all year round. The production can happen. Now, another question, is it possible large scale?
Yes, exactly. So it is specifically designed to be large scale. It's meant to bring back local production to Luxembourg. We are currently planning a 1 hectare plus or minus project where we aim to produce really all that Luxembourg needs. We're starting with lettuce, and these large projects are exactly what we believe that Luxembourg needs to meet the needs of the locals, right? So affordable products, sustainably grown products year-round, and that's only possible through the innovations that we're doing inside greenhouses.
Amazing project, ganz interessante Projekt. I saw you talk to some farmers as well. If you're interested, the fair is for the dialogue as well. Horizon Farms by Fish Haff. Are you still looking for partners? They können sich da melden.
We're always looking for partners. What we aim to do is bring all of the different products that could be grown here, not just the ones that we grow. So if you say, I'm a farmer, I have land, I want to work with you, just come on by. We're here in the B01, and we'll talk about how we can work together to bring back local production.
Or online, of course. Du könnt ihr bis rakucken, einer op der Foire oder auch online Bäume verschafft. Ganz interessant. Auch Technologien und Innovationen, die aber heute dürfen präsentieren und immer das Trick bei dich auf der Plateau kommen.
A very warm welcome to both of you. Ja, EWE TV als international multikulturell so wie eben als Gesellschaft.